Namaskar. Thank you for inviting me to join you on this year's Ayurveda Day. The theme for this year is Ayurveda for One Health. The traditional and indigenous wisdom has always inherently recognized the interconnectedness and interdependence of humans, other species, and the nature of which they are a part. It reflects this holistic understanding of harmony and balance at various levels. This understanding is also growing, especially after the recent disastrous global COVID-19 pandemic. The World Health Organization studies show that there is a widespread and growing acceptance and use of traditional and complementary medicine globally, including in Europe. Nearly 90% of the WHO member states, that is 170 countries, report the use of traditional medicine. According to the WHO, traditional and complementary medicine, T&CM, is an important and often underestimated health resource with many applications, especially in the prevention and management of lifestyle-related chronic diseases and in meeting the health needs of the aging population. It further notes that many countries are seeking to expand the coverage of essential health services at a time when expectations for healthcare are rising, costs are growing, and most budgets are either stagnant or being reduced. More than 100 countries have the laws to regulate the use of T&C medicine, and nearly 125 countries have laws to regulate herbal medicines. There are several well-established traditional medicine systems in the Southeast Asia region. Europe lags behind global averages in T&CM laws and regulations. However, even in Europe, there is a marked increase in the number of member states with a registration system and regulation for herbal medicines, and 45 of the 53 member states report both of them. At the same time, lack of research data and financial support for research, lack of mechanisms to monitor safety of T&CM practices, and lack of education and training for T&CM providers are among the main challenges. India, on its part, is making available significant resources towards the promotion of traditional medicine within India and also globally. In 2014, a Ministry of Ayush was created to promote traditional medicine systems. There are nearly 3,000 Ayurveda hospitals in India and 500,000 Ayurveda practitioners and physicians. There are 7,000 licensed Ayurveda pharmacies and 120 drug testing labs. There are 500 Ayurveda colleges in India. Last year, India hosted the Global Ayush Investment and Innovation Summit. India is working for the inclusion of Ayurveda and related systems in the 11th revision of the WHO International Classification of Diseases, ICD, in the second module of the supplementary chapter of traditional medicine. As many of you would be aware, the WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine is coming up in Jamnagar in Gujarat. India has committed funds to the tune of nearly $100 million over the next decade towards this WHO Global Center. 2 months ago, India hosted the first WHO Traditional Medicine Summit. The summit focused on use of science, technology, innovation, and knowledge exchange to validate T&CM for improving health, nutrition, and lifestyles. Use of data and analytics and digital frontiers, including artificial intelligence, were discussed. The summit called for facilitating evidence-based and evidence-informed integration of T&CM into national health systems using a primary healthcare approach and to progressively realize universal health coverage and all health-related SDGs. In this broader global context, the Ayush chair at the University of Riga forms a special bond between India and Latvia. This collaboration offers a unique opportunity to make a significant and positive contribution to the global efforts to move towards a more evidence-based approach to the use of traditional medicine. This India-Latvia collaboration is a unique example of SDG 17 that calls for global partnerships to advance other SDGs. In this case, the SDG 3 that aims to ensure healthy lives and to promote well-being for all at all ages. Ayush-related market in India is estimated at $25 billion annually. India is exporting the herbal products valued at around $1.5 billion to around 100 countries. There are nearly 80 Indian companies with 6,000 Ayush products that have received certification. Plant derivatives, nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals, plant extracts, and herbal plants are all witnessing huge growth in turnover. We hope that experts from Latvia and India can work together to initiate and produce scientific research that can validate some of these Ayurveda treatments. By promoting scientific collaboration to examine the efficacy of Ayurveda in treating non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, this partnership has the potential to make a lasting contribution to help our collective goal to promote traditional and complementary medicine at global level. We wish you success in these efforts. Thank you very much.